Hello, everyone. Today is Small Creator Sunday. It's every second Sunday of the month at 5 Central Standard Time. This is for every YouTuber that is under 5K. This is Love is in the Air for Valentine's Day. So I decided that I was going to do a heart themed sign for my door. And with this sign, I found some paper at Hobby Lobby that had a plaid check with a rose gold foil with a light pink background. I thought that would be extremely cute. I got out the rose gold paint. I love everything that's rose gold. I don't know why. It just is very a warm, beautiful color. So I painted all of the backing of the heart in rose gold just so that way it would contrast with the foil. And I thought that would be extremely pretty, so I did that. And I just wanted to make it all sort of go together. But with the theme Love is in the Air, I need to figure out what I want to put in the heart to make it like love is in the air. So to me, I kept thinking, I looked, and I could only find a few things that I really liked. I'm really just like lost for words today, but I am here for you guys, and I'm trying to just find. This is my first collaboration in over a month. I was out not feeling very well or just feeling under the weather after getting my booster shot, my third booster shot actually. So I am feeling a little bit better now. Just the weather and the days being so long, and then and it just gets so dark so easily, and I just don't like winter because of those purposes. But nothing we can do about that except for pray for spring, and it's just around the corner. And I'm super excited about spring. Spring is like my favorite time of the year. Spring and fall. Nobody loves winter, and it just snows. So, and now we're trying to bring Valentine's Day into it, and it would be nice if it wasn't snowing on Valentine's Day. But we're all doing our best, and everything is going to be great. Small Creator Sunday, second Sunday of the month at 5 o'clock Central Time. Under 5K subscribers can join. This is on February 13th of 2022, and the theme is Love is in the Air. Tiffany at Broken Girl Aesthetics is the host. The co-host is Michelle at Moxie DIY Java. I'm really thankful for being part of this collaboration. If you decide you want to join, the best way to join is to go on Instagram and hit me up on Instagram, and then I can invite you, or I can have one of the people that host the Instagram pages accept you into the program. Thank you very much. And this is going to be Love is in the Air. So I went to Dollar Tree a couple days before I shot this video and saw this bug. And I love bugs. And it has love, it has hearts, it has everything that I could even imagine to believe that love is in the air because I love little bugs. Long story short, my uncle Pat had a bug, and this Volkswagen, he had me and my sister and my two cousins in it, and we're driving, and I just thought, being a young child, that was just beautiful and it was fun, and I really enjoyed and loved that. So, this brought a little bit of history back into my life. My Uncle Pat never had a pink bug, it was yellow, but still, it brought a little bit of love back into my life because I just enjoyed that time of my life as a child. So, love is in the air. This is a contribute to my Uncle Pat and his beautiful wife Patricia. Yes, Pat and Pat. What a great way to know that you met your soulmate. Name or their first names were both Pat. So, thank you, Aunt Patricia, and I'm glad you're still here. And happy birthday, because your birthday wasn't very long ago. And love is in the air. And thank you, everyone, for being here today. And I hope you enjoyed my DIY. Hi, my name is Robin, and this is Coco. This is our 50th cut. Please like and subscribe to our channel. We'd really appreciate it. Please comment below. That way she don't have to do this no more.
Okay,